Hi, boys and girls. Happy Friday. I've got another math page for you to do in this November packet. Okay, and so you're going to turn all the way to the end, to the last two pages. And okay, so what we're doing is we're making a pilgrim hat, and we're using the pieces from the next page to glue onto here. We had something similar for Halloween, didn't we? We were filling in a big pumpkin with things for Halloween. There were some ghosts and some bats and things, so that might look kind of familiar, but it looks like a big puzzle, doesn't it? I purposely put the pieces on the last page so you can just pull it off without ripping the whole packet apart. So what I did is I went ahead and colored mine. Now again, the directions don't say you have to color. The directions say children cut out puzzle pieces and match them to the numbers on the hat. So I'm going to leave that up to you guys. But before we do it, we're going to count all the things and kind of explain them. The first thing are the turkeys. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those were kind of hard to color because they're so small. Colored pencils would probably work better than crayons. I use crayons. So I colored my turkeys brown and some colored feathers, and then I used a really light blue to kind of color sky behind it. Let's count again because I forgot already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Okay, and then these are little cornucopias. These are little things that people put vegetables and fruit and stuff in there. And they mostly use them for decoration. Sometimes they use them for like a horn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this was 6, this was 7. These are the pilgrim hats. Okay, those are the men's hats, the boys' hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if I turn here, I've got the ships. Okay, one of the ships that they sailed on was called the Mayflower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so after you do that, and again, I think coloring is optional. You're going to cut them out, and they're kind of different kind of shapes. They're not really squares or rectangles or triangles. And this shape has 4 sides. 2 sides are straight and 2 are slanted. This kind of looks like a triangle, doesn't it? I guess we could call that a triangle. It has 3 sides, but one of the sides is just a little bit curved. It's not straight. So this is good cutting practice. I would say that's one thing that we haven't done as much of since we're doing distance learning. We haven't done as much cutting as we would in the classroom. We have a few cut and paste pages, but we haven't done quite as much art. Okay, so this is good. We want the kids to be able to cut. Okay, that's kind of a funny shape, isn't it? It's got a couple of straight sides and 1, 2, 3 slanted sides. And then this almost looks like an arrow, doesn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and cut those pieces apart, and then we'll go back to that pilgrim hat, and we'll do like we did with our Halloween one. We'll place them on there first. Let me get rid of my scraps. We'll place them on there first before we glue, because you want to make sure you get them on there right. So let me go back to my back page, this one here, okay? All right, and like if I take this one right here, can you tell where it goes? So one reason I include this, the math is not hard on it, the matching numbers, but this is like a spatial recognition. You'd be surprised how hard this is for kids because they're trying to fit it here, here, here. You know, or they see that it's going to go here, but they don't know quite how to get it. So just make sure they turn. You got to turn them, right? Turn them till they fit. Okay, and yeah, because we had 6 turkeys and the number 6. Okay, remember we had 5 ships. Yeah, here's the ships, but getting it in there. So you've got to turn it, right? It's not going to fit if you just put it like 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry about that. 5. Yeah, you've got to turn it the right way. There we go. But it wouldn't fit like that. So turn it till it fits. Okay, these were the cornucopias. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know it goes up here. And then this one here, you want to get it to fit. This was the 8 pilgrim hats, so you might have to turn it like this, get it to fit. Okay, once it fits, then you go ahead and take them off and glue them down, okay? And that was your math page today. I told you you're going to have some easy math today. And take a picture of that when it's done. Put it on your Seesaw journal page. And you guys have a little bit of break next week. Isn't that nice? And There we go. So if you're behind on any pages, yeah, you know that we finished that Go Math Chapter 3. So if you didn't get that all caught up, you can go through there. And when we come back from vacation, we are going to start two things. We're going to start our team numbers. That's 11 through 20. And we're also going to do some comparing numbers, greater than, less than, with numbers 1 through 10. And it ends up looking like this. I love it, my pilgrim hat. I guess maybe I could have went around it with black because that's what color the hats are. Now, I like the blue. Okay, it is up to you. If you guys want to color it, you can choose your own colors. Okay, bye-bye.